If you're building a new website for another company, school, or any other organization, it's likely that you will have more than one user who will need access to the WordPress administration area. You might also want to invite other users to contribute to your blog. In order to do so, each user must have his or her own user account. The user panel is where you will set up new user accounts, edit user information, or delete users. You can also bulk delete or even change the roles for multiple users at once. It's important to understand the different permissions given to each role. So very briefly, an administrator has access to all the administrator options and all of the areas of the site. An editor can create and publish posts and pages as well as edit other users' posts. An author can create and publish his or her own posts. A contributor can write and manage their own posts, but they cannot publish them. They can only submit a post for review. And at last, a subscriber can only manage their profile and read content. Serge is a new user who will be writing some new articles for us. I've given his account a contributor role. When Serge logs in, he will have access to very limited functions. While he creates a new post, he won't be able to publish it immediately. He will have to submit it for review. An editor or administrator have the authority to approve the post, then the post will go live. When I log in the admin account, I can see that Serge has posted a new article, but it is pending for review. Also at the top of the page, we will see the number of posts pending to be reviewed. So let's preview Serge's article. It looks like he has done a great job with this article with the links to different content. This looks really good to me. Either I can click the edit button on the top of the page or the edit post link in the toolbar to open Serge's post in the editor. If needed, I can make any changes here, and when done, I can click the publish button. And now, Serge's new article will appear on our site for everyone to see. To edit a user's information, I will click the Users tab once again, then click on one of the users. In the Edit subpanel, we have the ability to disable the visual editor of this user, which will only let them to use the HTML or code editor. We can also change the color scheme that they can see in the admin area, enable keyboard shortcuts for moderating a large amount of comments, or hide or show the toolbar of this user while they are visiting the site. You can also edit the user's name, contact information, biography, and password. Of course, at any time you can edit your own profile by clicking on your profile under the Users menu or by hovering over your username at the top right corner and clicking on Edit Your Profile.